Hi, I'm Jawad Malik. I will be presenting Reed Hastings' significant contributions to Netflix as a leader, guiding the company through various stages of its evolution and turning it into a global streaming powerhouse. Here are some of his key contributions and achievements. Uh, Revolutionized entertainment industry, pioneered streaming services, led Netflix to global prominence. Innovation: introduced subscription-based model, embraced original content production. Leadership: fostered a culture of innovation, built a successful disruptive company. Impact: transformed how people consume media. Here are some of the leadership traits. Visionary leader: transformed Netflix into a streaming giant, anticipate the future of digital entertainment. Adaptive leadership: transitioned Netflix from DVD by mail to online streaming. Bold decision maker: made strategic bets on original content, risk taker in disrupting traditional media models. Customer centric approach: prioritize user experience and satisfaction, focused on meeting evolving consumer demands. Global influence: expand Netflix presence worldwide, set standards for on-demand content globally. Corporate culture advocate, promote a culture of innovation and creativity, emphasized employee freedom and responsibility. Innovation: risk taking with the subscription based model and original content.
Hello everyone, my name is Dhruv Patel and today I'll be presenting leadership models and areas for leadership model enhancement for our presentation. So to start with the leadership models, here the first one is transformational leadership model, which includes inspiring and motivating followers to achieve exceptional results. The application of this leadership model is that the Hastings did set a vision encouraging innovation and risk taking. The prime example of this leadership model is the creation of groundbreaking series like Stranger Things. The second leadership model is customer focused model, which focuses on understanding customers' needs and delivering exceptional values. The Netflix's personalization algorithms, content recommendations, and global content libraries is one of the prime application of this leadership model. The the major example of this leadership model is the continuous improvement of Netflix at the global level. Now coming down to the areas for leadership model enhancement. Here the first one is the diversity and inclusion. Now here what happened that the Hastings recognized that there is still need for improvement. So what he did was that the Hastings took some further steps to ensure diversity at all organizational levels. The second one here is the sustainability and environmental responsibility. So although the Hastings did take some steps, but still there was room left for improvement. So what he did, the Hastings explored ways to reduce environmental impact, and he did set an industry example. Then last but not the least, it is direct engagement with content creators. Now there was some concerns raised by creators. So in action, the Hastings strengthened relationships and ensured fair practices, and he also promoted mutual respects. So that's all from my side, and now Lovis will be further presenting our PPT. Thank you.
Hi, how are you? My name is Lavish Goel, and today I'm gonna be presenting leadership alignment and its impact and areas of development in it. So, firstly, with the leadership alignment, it refers to the extent to which a leader's action and behaviors align with the goals and values of the organization. In the case of the transformational leadership model, Hastings demonstrates strong alignment by setting a compelling vision, encouraging innovation, and nurturing a culture of creativity and risk taking. This approach has had a significant impact on the organization as Netflix has evolved into a global streaming giant. One aspect of the transformational leadership model is visionary leadership, where Hastings set a compelling vision for innovation and risk taking. This vision inspires employees to think creatively and embrace change, empowering them to adaptability. Additionally, Hastings' leadership style emphasizes employee empowerment, which fosters a culture for excellence and encourages employees to produce outstanding content. Well, now coming to leadership impacts and its areas for improvements. While Hastings leadership has had a positive impact on employees and the organization. Hi, how are you? My name is Lavish Goel, and today I'm gonna be presenting leadership alignment and its impact and areas of development in it. So, firstly, with the leadership alignment, it refers to the extent to which a leader's action and behaviors align with the goals and values of the organization. In the case of the transformational leadership model, Hastings demonstrates strong alignment by setting a compelling vision, encouraging innovation, and nurturing a culture of creativity and risk taking. This approach has had a significant impact on the organization as Netflix has evolved into a global streaming giant. One aspect of the transformational leadership model is visionary leadership, where Hastings set a compelling vision for innovation and risk taking. This vision inspires employees to think creatively and embrace change, empowering them to adaptability. Additionally, Hastings' leadership style emphasizes employee empowerment, which fosters a culture for excellence and encourages employees to produce outstanding content. Well, now coming to leadership impacts and its areas for improvements. Hastings leadership has had a positive impact on employees and the organization as a whole, there are areas for improvement. One such area is diversity and inclusion, which is acknowledged as a need for improvement by prioritizing diversity and inclusion activities. Netflix can create a more inclusive and diverse workforce, which can lead to broader range of perspectives and ideas. Another area of improvement is sustainability. While steps have been taken in this regard, there is room for a more substantial commitment by further integrating substantial practices into the organization's operations and strategies. Netflix can contribute to environmental conservation and social responsibility. In conclusion, Hastings' leadership alignment with the transformational leadership model has had a significant impact on employees and the organization. Thank you.
Hey, my name is Prabh Simran. Me and my team are presenting a presentation on Reed Hastings' leadership in Netflix. I'll start from slide role of Reed Hastings as a leader. At individual level, he provides mentorship to employees in individual. He also identifies high potential employees to expand their roles in company. He also encourages them to participate in leadership training and workshops. At team level, he promotes cultural collaboration and accountability within teams. He also encourages open communication and free exchange of ideas. He also promotes a sense of ownership and initiative among team members. At organization level, he establishes clear organization vision and mission, implement of programs for leadership development and succession planning. The next slide, leadership approach to adapt external influences like technological advancement, to adopt digital transformation, automation, and data-driven decision making. Navigates the rise of remote work during the global event like COVID-19 pandemic. Globalization develop a global mindset to navigate a diverse culture, adapt international communications and negotiations.
Hello, myself Himani Patel. I'll be presenting leadership approach and conclusion. First one is economic shift, which adapts strategies in response to economic trends and market fluctuations. Decision making aligned with economic contexts. Another one is societal changes and ethics, in which incorporate diversity. In conclusion, sustainability and ethical practices includes stakeholder accountability, leaders held accountable for the impact on society and the environment. Last one is competitive environment, anticipate and responding to competitive threats, and adaptation, innovation, and strategic thinking for favorable positioning in the marketplace. Conclusion: the Reed Hastings leadership at Netflix has empowered employees, fueled organizational evaluation, and positively shifted company culture. Challenges like diversity and sustainability are acknowledged, showing a commitment to improvement. His adaptive leadership style navigates technological, global, and economic shifts, which making Netflix thrive amidst a dynamic business landscape. Thank you.